Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am an eBay reseller and I've been doing that for a long time, part-time. By day I'm a marketer. I do marketing for a software company. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a DIY designer box from ThredUp. Yay! They're usually pretty good. You usually get at least one or two really good pieces in there. Sometimes you don't though. Sometimes you don't get any, and that's always disheartening. But anyway, to start, just a quick second before I start, I wanted to say I got this shirt at Anthropologie. It was 50% off clearance, and this shirt has sequins on the sleeves, and then it's got like a mock neck, and then this necklace. A wonderful reseller friend of mine sent this to me, and I don't know if she's okay with me saying it. I guess I'm not going to say, but she originally she sent me this beautiful necklace, and I love it. It looks perfect with this shirt, so I am super stoked about that. So a little sparkle, a little nice necklace. What more could a person ask for, right? Okay, here is our box. Let's see. It's kind of heavy, but not heavy enough that I'm thinking there's any purses in there. I hope there is. I really hope there is. Okay. Came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. I think I got it about 4 weeks ago, maybe, something like that. And with how good I am at waiting for things, you'd be shocked I waited that long because I'm not good at waiting. I used to open my presents in secret when I was a little kid. And so I'd know what I was getting on Christmas, then I'd be disappointed because I already knew. I don't do that anymore, by the way. so that's good, but well, I missed a little spot here. This one was taped in more than just the one token place that they usually do. All right, let's see. All right, so these boxes cost $140 plus tax and shipping. For me, it comes out to about $150. It comes out to about $22 per item for me, and just something to keep in mind. One really good thing about living in Minnesota is we do not pay tax on clothing and shoes, and so whereas someone else might pay an extra $12 or $15 for these boxes, I don't. We just don't pay for that. So in the tax scheme in their software, they know that we don't pay it, so we don't have to pay it. So that's great. But we're taxed heavily elsewhere. Trust me on that one. Okay, here is the first look. I don't see anything that's like, oh my gosh, screaming out at me here, jumping out at me here, but you never know. All right, what is the first thing? This looks like, this looks like Burberry. That is gorgeous. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, but there's a hole in it, so I'm sure that's why. No, there's more than one hole, I think. Is there? Yeah, there's some holes right there. Let's see. And then there's one on the shoulder here, which is a shame because this is really gorgeous. There's one right there too. Shoot. It's a size medium. And then there's a couple more small holes here. So that, oh no, that's a piece of fuzz. Never mind. What is this thing made of? I'm going to go with, yeah, I knew it. It's made of wool. It might be mendable. I might be able to mend it a little bit, but it's really cute, but that's too bad about the holes. But when you get wool like that, it does happen. So, all right. Yeah, that's not good, but oh well. Next is Alexander Wang. This kind of shimmery, what is this anyway? Is it a shirt? If it's a dress, it's a tiny, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it is a dress. I'll have to put that on the mannequin and see what it is. But it's here's the back of it. It's super short, so I can't, how can that be a shirt though? Maybe it's a tunic? I don't know. But anyway, here's what it looks like. I love the material. I'm going to give you a close-up of that material. I don't see anything wrong with it. There might be some like maybe some marks on the fabric, maybe, because this kind of fabric shows marks pretty easily, but otherwise it looks pretty good. There's the tag. And what is this made of? Polyester and elastane. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that looks okay. Alexander Wang. All right. Nothing too exciting yet, but hopefully there will be. Okie dokie. What is next? what is next? Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, this one's good. Oh my gosh. Ooh. It's a Dolce & Gabbana denim jacket. Ooh. Oh my heavens. Look at that. And it's a size 42, which I think is about a size, let's see, 38, 40, 40, just about a size 8, I believe. I think that's a size 8. Look at that. Oh my heavens. That is really, really cute. And there's the back. I mean, okay, I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it, because, you know, usually if they're in a designer box, there's something wrong. All the buttons are there. Look at these cute arm details, the button details. So cute. And a size 8 is great to sell. I don't see any stains on it. I don't see, okay, so here's the back. That's purposeful fading. So there's the front. Buttons are there. Buttons seem to be working, and it looks like the original buttons, so I don't think there's anything wrong with this jacket, and this will sell for some good money. So I'm excited about, I don't think it'll pay for the box, but it'll get me some of the way there. So that's good. All right. Okay, I don't know what else we're going to get here. Let's see. We have got a Gianni Versace. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is good. This is good. This is, okay, so this is a suede, kind of a fuchsia purplish jacket by Versace. And this is not a hole. This is the pocket sticking out. It's got some discolor on the front, but I know how to work with suede a little bit, enough that I think I can probably fix that. We're gonna see. I want you to see a couple of things. First of all, here is the tag. It's gorgeous. Look at the inside though. Look at the liner. It's just fabulous. Oh my heavens, it's so nice. And then I also wanted you to see these cute little, you know how Versace has that kind of Greek looking buttons logo. Can you, I'm not sure you can really see that, but anyway, this is, this is great. I'm going to clean this up. I don't know what size it is, but I'm going to clean it up. I think it's pretty small size. I'll clean it up and see how it looks, and I'll have a picture for you on the camera. So this is great. A Versace suede jacket. I bet it was over 1,000 new at least. So, yay! All right, we're looking up now. We're looking up. Okay, all right. Well, for next, we're gonna do this one. Gucci. All right, we got some Gucci. What is this? Gucci size 40, so that's like a size 6. And I'm just gonna try and show you the tag here. You know what? Any day is good when you get Dolce Gabbana and Versace and Gucci in the same box. Are you kidding? Oh my gosh, it's my sparkly shirt is giving me luck today. Okay, here's this is a size 6 shirt. It looks like silk. And what is the problem with it? Because it must have one, right? Some of the things in here don't have problems. In fact, quite a few of them I've had that are not, they don't have a stain, they're not torn. The problem with them is just that they didn't sell. So yeah, could be. This is gorgeous. I don't see, what about this? I don't see any stains. Again, I always put these in the mannequin and look at them and make sure, you know, of what I can find before I list them for sale, before I try and sell them. There's the sleeves. There's no stains there either. I mean, it's wrinkly, probably just from being in a box. This is just craziness. It's like purplish. I can't find a single thing wrong with this. Oh my heavens. It's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Oh, okay, there's 2 things left and they're both pretty good. Okay, this is the first one. Furla. It's a Furla, kind of a croc embossed. No, is this croc embossed? It's embossed with a pattern. Let's see, the inside of it looks like it's got some like chipping of the paint. Or no, is it? Is that just me? Yeah, there's some of the surface has worn off. It's not paint, but just some of the surface has worn. And then here's the outside though. It's in good condition. Look at that. The corners though, I believe the corners are why it's in here. You can kind of see, there's a corner. There's a corner. So you can see the corners are not great. And the inside the inside has some problems, but the strap is in good condition. It's a crossbody. And there's the back and there's the bottom. So, I mean, not too bad, really. It is really beautiful brown leather. And then you've got this cute, you can remove the strap. See, you've got these little clasps where you can just remove the strap. That is a really nice bag. I'm super excited to get that. And the last item might pay for the whole bag. Yay! Whoa! Golden Goose is where it's at. Okay, these are a little worn though. I don't know. High Star, Golden Goose, Goose, Golden Goose. It doesn't, you know, you always have to, at least the ones I've gotten of this shoe, you have, well, by the way, here, let me show you the shoe first, and then I'm going to pull out and see what size they are. Okay, the bottoms don't show, there's a little bit of heel drag, not a ton though, and they're pretty clean. To the top, I mean, you know, these things are worn when you buy them, but I'm going to clean them up to make sure that any of the wear is intentional that's left, and I'm just going to try and see what size these are. I'm going to guess they're size 7.5 or 8. Like maybe like a Euro 38. I'm wrong. Okay. 36. They're smaller than I thought. All right. I got to get that back in there. But yeah, even if it's a size 36, I think they'll, I mean, look at the cute silver bottoms to them. They're great. Oh my gosh. I love this box. Absolutely love this box. I'm super excited about this. So, okay, we've got the Golden Goose, size 36. We have got the Furla embossed bag, brown leather, just gorgeous. Just a little bit weird to the inside and to the corners. A Gucci shirt, just beautiful. I don't think I did not tell you what the material was of this shirt. I suspect it's silk. Okay, it's 68% silk. 25% nylon, 7% spandex. That's what it says on the tag. Look at this. Look at the detail on the neck. I never showed you that either. But it's just gorgeous. All right. Next up is this Versace, beautiful soft. I think I don't know. It might be a different kind. It's not really suede. Look at this material. It's super soft. It's that nubuck-like material. It's so gorgeous. And then we've got the Dolce and Gabbana. And the other two are not great, but I mean, you know, this is a pretty item, whatever it is. The Alexander Wang thing, whatever it is, shirt or dress or whatever. And of course, you've got the Burberry wool shirt that has some faults. I'm gonna see if I can repair those a little bit. Just do a little something to repair them. So I must say, you know, about 6 months ago, I was pretty down on these boxes, but I have really come to like them again. So I'm going to be ordering more of these hopefully in the future. So anyway, if you're interested in buying any of these items, I will give you a better deal than when I list them on eBay. So send me an email to mystefstyle@gmail.com and I will give, well, I'm going to put prices on the screen when I have it out here. So if you're interested, just send me a note. All right, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you like my content, please do subscribe. I do quite a few unboxings, 1 to 2 a week. So have a great day.